Korean?
Hello, Bella.
Hi,
Do you like my hair today?
yeah.
Thank you. Guess what?
What?
I sparkled! Yay!
You're so beautiful.
I know. Everybody tell me. Guess what, Bella?
What?
I'm wearing lipstick.
Oh, you have lipstick. Kiss me.
Okay. No, we cannot get that into it. Why?
Why?
Because I'm gay.
I thought you were a vampire or something, but you're gay?
Yes. Why do you think I sparkle? Oh no! Goodbye, Bella.
No, please don't go. We can do something against them. No. No, I'm going to be depressed for the rest of my life.
Hello, Bella. I'm Jacob.
Oh, Jake. I'm so sad. Edward left me.
Well, you kind of deserve it. You are kind of stupid.
What?